guys, so bukas is midterm namin sa ANAFI and inaaral ko siya ngayon. Na para bang kaya kong aralin to ng 7 o'clock na and 7, 8, 9, 10, 3 hours. Test. Masaya. Masaya. Nabasag din. Wala, basag. Ang liit. Ito mo yung kinakain. What's this?
Honey butter.
Today is Wednesday. It's currently 5:58 in the afternoon and I'm going to study chemistry because we might have quiz tomorrow, or I feel like we have practical exam, I don't know. Supposedly I am going to study ANAFI, but I don't want to study this because like no, wait ko na lang na ituro siya sa amin before ko siya aralin kasi it's very complicated topic and I want it to teach it first.
moments later.
Hi guys! So, nandito ako with...
Hi vlog!
Yes!
My name is Kimberly.
Yes. Alam mo ba kung saan kami ngayon? Nasa hospital kami. Yes. Parang 4 hours na tayo dito, no? Magtuto na. Or 1
Yeah,
1.
1 a.m. na.
So, yeah. Sakit po ng tiyan ko.
Ang lamig pa dito guys. Super. Tapos ang tagal ng process dito.
Tapos alam mo ba, like, tawag dito? Wala na akong luha sa kakaiyak.
Ganun talaga ang buhay.
Kasi sobrang sakit. Tapos tawag dito, hindi pa nga kami nurse. Kasi nursing student din siya. Tapos
Yes.
nauna pa ako naging patient. Pero yun. Okay naman na guys, uwi na rin kami.
Yes.
Yes, bye-bye.
Bye vlog.
Okay,